Hi everyone, I'm Rajit's father, I'm Darshak. I learned about 10x Tech Club about last year when I was just searching for some extracurricular activities for Rajit. He's very oriented towards technology and robotics, things like that. So when I found and I met Rajesh sir and I learned about his own history and his passion, right from there, like I was really impressed. And Rachit was also super excited to join these classes. He has attended every class and every jamming session, like without a miss. Like he will adjust schedule of all his other classes and everything else to make sure that he comes here for maximum time possible. We are really very happy with the way he has learned things. I'm a software engineer. My father is an electronics engineer. I don't have much inclination towards electronics, but the way Rajit has grasped the concepts of electronics and the way he's been able to tinker on his own, like this project is just one like final outcome of the hackathon. But other than this, I've seen him tinker and make lots and lots of small projects, small like experiments that like he does totally on his own without any instructions. And I think so we have inculcated this mindset of experimentation and learning through experimentation, so which is really awesome. So thank you, and looking forward to a lot more learning sessions over here.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sachin, Aditya's father. And at the very outset, I would like to congratulate all the kids for showcasing exceptional talent. And I'm highly impressed by the humongous, infectious energy. And I'm a tax lawyer. And at our home, I generally try to shape him, teaching him constitution, making him read tax laws. But now, after getting him joined into 10x10 Club, I have started learning technology. And whenever I used to come down to pick him up, he used to speak all this technical jargon, which was like a Wasim Akram bouncer for me. But I'm highly impressed. Congratulations to, special thanks to Rajesh sir. And thank you, everyone.
Okay, so I think congratulations to all the kids. Amazing to see all the projects that you've done. The kids, what they're doing. This is the second year for us. Our daughter also came to 10x Club. India wanted a project for 4 startups. These are different startups, different companies. They were bidding against startups, Adanis and Ambanis. The project did not go to those big people. It went to 4 small startups from India. Each one building something else, somebody building a surveillance on sea, somebody building a surveillance on land, a ground station, which I could see on ground. I think it's an amazing thing, it's a great collaboration. They're learning from ground up zero when they're in school. I think that's what the future is. And I can see that. I think India is investing a lot. I was on an event just 2 days back. It was on deep tech. India is investing deeply on deep tech. This is deep tech. I can see deep tech on ground. AI is there, but I think deep tech is the future. India is going to heavily invest. India has created a fund of $11 billion just to deploy on these kind of technologies, giving it as a grant to universities, to startups, to companies. I think as parents and as kids, I think you're starting at the right age. Most of the guys who started were at the age of 10 or 11. Even Elon Musk was like a college. He started this. So I think the right age. And I think kudos to Rajesh sir for starting this, and I think I would continue with my son at least and anybody else.
So when Swana came for the demo session along with our 2 boys, and she was quite disappointed to see that there was only one girl, and she was actually hesitating that should she join the course or should she not. But now that she has been here for the whole 4 months, she's really happy, and it's been so great. And I mean, she really looks forward to going for the jamming sessions, for the Saturday sessions, and she comes on her own by rickshaw now. I mean, she's 14, so she always complains that, like somebody is just saying, that we don't get any credit. All we did was pay the fees. Now we even stopped bringing her to class. But it's fantastic.
Actually, I've been looking around for a program for my son, and that's where I met Rajesh sir. I don't have words, but this is one place for everything, right? From design to creativity, electronics and entrepreneurship, business, soft skills, everything in one. And he was too small for this, but I told him I still want to start off. Even if he's not learning everything, he's, I think, the younger, he's in 5th and all that. But I said, at least let him start. And sir encouraged. He said, it's okay, man, extra classes, do that, but thank you so much. I think that is actually pretty surprised. Thank you.
I'll first introduce myself. I am myself a software developer.
So first of all, to answer sir's question, what is the change that we have observed in Rushank, right? So let me give you a bit of a background. So he's 11 right now. He has changed at least maybe 12 tuitions, 13, or maybe more than that. This includes sports, academics. Every tuition he goes 3 months, 4 months, and then he'll start crying, I will not go no matter what. So then, this is one change that we have observed, that, every Saturday, and then on Sunday, and then on Monday and Tuesday, I'm not going to go anywhere. It's 4 p.m. I'm going to go to 10x, right? This is amazing actually. This is the first time we've observed this kind of a behavior from him, and actually says a lot about the kind of environment that kids are getting. There's a lot of learning, right? Typically schools. This is what is written in the book. This is what you should write in the exams, right? It doesn't work in the real world, right? It never works in the real world. At least we can learn from our experiences, but this is what we have observed. We're in for a revolutionary next generation, that much I can say, because at least I can say for myself that we actually went for rote learning, and then we had to sort of do a lot of things on the job. These kids will not have to do it. They are actually learning it the right way, which is actually going to help them in the most practical way in the real world when they actually approach their careers. So that's all I want to say.
Thank you.